Hello, Lexington. I'm Kevin Hall. I'm going to start by taking this mask off. I'm here with Christina King. Both of us are fully vaccinated, and we do have more than 6 feet between us as we're prepared to talk about flu shots and free flu shot clinic this week. Normally, we would be doing this live on Facebook, but at this time we're shooting this, Facebook is down with some complications throughout the country. So hopefully this will be on to be shared later on. But the information will still be effective and still be what you need to know for Wednesday's free flu shot clinic. Now, we do this every year. It allows us to check and test our emergency preparedness. When we started doing this 15 or so years ago, we had no idea that it would actually be put into effect with a worldwide pandemic like we have going on right now with COVID-19. But because of you who have been taking part in these over so many years, you've allowed us to know how to give a large amount of shots in a small amount of time. So coming out not only helps you fight the flu, but it does help us. It lets us know what we can do to get better at giving mass amount of shots at these clinics. So without further ado, let's take a look about what we're here for today. Help you get a free flu shot. First of all, we're going to be at Consolidated Baptist Church. That's 1625 Russell Cave Road. We're going to be there from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Wednesday, October 6th. We're going to show you today how you can get registered on our website, a little bit about the layout at the event and where you can park, and then a few things that you need to know that are going to be important for getting out on October 6th to get your free flu shot. So when you're watching this, go back, rewind, watch to get all the information you need, and be sure to tell the others in your family groups, your friend circle, whoever needs to know this. And Christina will be popping in with any questions that might come up that she knows that people have been asking. So first of all, we've got right here, this is our website. You want to go to LFCHD.org, flu shots 2021. So LFCHD.org/flu shots 2021. That's going to give you a screen that looks like this. You have all the information you need about flu shots. You can click here, free flu shot event, or if you scroll a little bit down, you can see there are multiple places where you can click and it'll actually allow you to pre-register. For right now, you don't have to pre-register. You can walk in, get your flu shot, but we're asking you to sign up in advance because that will help you save a little bit of time. All your information will be in the system. You hopefully can get in and out in about 10 to 15 minutes, and that depends on how many people are there at the same time. So again, here's our website. Go there, sign up in advance to save some time. They'll take you to a second site where it'll ask some questions, get your name, your date of birth, contact information so we can text you or email you based on your preferred choice of communication. And this allows you to have all this information at your fingertips and allows us to help you get checked in when you show up. Okay, Christina, let's pull up the next piece here. Let's take a look at the map. And this is the overhead view of Consolidated Baptist Church. Now again, it is at 1625 Russell Cave Road. It is really important for you to know that this is where you come in. You come up Russell Cave Road. If you get down to the library, you've gone too far. So there's a public library there, but this is easily accessible from New Circle Road. It's easily accessible. You've got the interstate exits nearby. So you're going to come up Russell Cave. Here is your entrance to the parking lot. You're going to come, there'll be people here directing you all the way through this. You're going to come through our parking lot and all the way over to this far side. This parking lot over here is where you're going to be parking. You're going to have these slots here opened up for you. And then there's a door right here that you're going to be coming in, take you in. Again, people are going to be out there. We're going to have staff members. It looks like it's going to be wet and rainy, so maybe not the best of conditions, but our staff are going to be out there, very visible in their gear, so you can ask them questions. They're going to point you how to get through the parking lot, where to park, where to come in. Everything will be spelled out for you. You're going to have people everywhere helping you out. One thing to look for, this right here. Look for the people wearing these shirts, the Get Vax Y'all shirts with our logo, the state of Kentucky. Christina designed these, did a fantastic job. We're going to be having these on. Our staff members will have these on, ready to help you out in whatever way that you need when you get there. Now, a few things for you to remember when you come visit us to get your free flu shot. First of all, if you're sick, please stay home. Don't come out if you're running a fever, if you've got body aches, any of these symptoms that people have that could be the flu, could be COVID-19. Stay home. There will be other opportunities to get free flu shots. We provide them every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by same-day appointment in our public health clinic. So this isn't your only opportunity to get a free shot. They're free all season long here at the health department. Okay, a couple of other things too. If you're in quarantine, if you've been exposed to a COVID-19 case, you're not fully vaccinated, you're in quarantine, you're under those orders, don't come out. Make sure that you stay home. It's very important that you do that. We have had this question come in, which vaccine will be available for senior adults. The question always comes in, is the high dose vaccine available? Not at this Wednesday, October 6th clinic. This will only be the regular dosage, no high dose available. If you are a senior adult and you absolutely need that high dose flu vaccine, call our public health clinic at 859-288-2483 Monday, Wednesday, or Friday to schedule your same-day appointment. The high dose will not be available. Now, for you seniors, this dose will still give you the coverage you need. This is going to be the one that will protect you. We feel good about this, and more information about all of this is on our website, so check that out. This is not going to be a COVID-19 vaccine clinic. Now, when you come to our public health clinic at 650 Newtown Pike, you can get your COVID shot, you can get your flu vaccine. It is a one-stop shot stop. I probably messed that up. One-stop shot shop. There we go. On a Monday, Wednesday, Friday here at our public health clinic, but not Wednesday, October 6th. It is only going to be the flu shot. So don't come expecting to be able to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, there are a few things you can do to help us out. One, don't wear a shirt like what I have on today to come get your flu shot. You want to wear a t-shirt so you can easily expose your arm. Or if it's a loose-fitting shirt or something that you can remove pretty easily to give the nurses the access to that arm. Now, for those of you who need a little bit of privacy there, that we do have some screens that you can go to be able to remove the shirt, to be able to take your arm out and stay covered up. But it's going to be better for everyone if you come in with your shirt, with a short-sleeve shirt, easily accessible. Don't want to forget this next piece. Make sure you bring a mask. Everybody 2 years and older who comes through must wear a mask. That's because we are still in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, and we need you to wear your mask to protect us, to protect you, to protect everyone. A few other things here. Christine, I'm going to turn this around. We've got a few notes here for us, so make sure they cover everything. Stay home if you're sick. Stay home if you're in quarantine. The short sleeve shirt. Oh, this is one that comes in. Last year's flu season was low. Should we be worried about this year? Well, last year had a lot of special circumstances. So think about this time in 2020. Number one, mask mandates were in place. Number two, a lot of businesses were not having people come in to work in person. Schools were not in person class settings. We didn't have people attending ball games, extracurricular events, concerts, any of these gatherings, places of worship, places where people come together and germs can be spread easily from person to person. This year, no mask mandate. Schools are in session. We have churches, places of worship open, ball games are happening, concerts are happening, places where people can gather and be around each other. As a result, the flu will spread this year. It is likely to be a busy flu season, and we do not want that for people. A flu shot is the best way to protect yourself and to protect your family and your friends. We don't want to get people sick, having to go to our hospitals, to our medical providers, because they are already pushed to the limit with COVID-19. So by getting your shot, which is recommended for everyone 6 months and older, you're doing this for your community, you're doing this for your family, you're doing this for everyone. It will really help out. So that's got all of our questions that I knew to take care of. Christina, are there any that you've been seeing on our social media or that you're hearing from your friends, family, loved ones?
I think you covered it, Kevin. The only other thing I hear a lot is it safe to get the flu vaccine and the COVID vaccine in the same time period?
So yes, it is. You can get the flu shot and the COVID-19 vaccine at the same time. Again, not at this special one-day clinic. The special one-day October 6th clinic is flu shots only. If you need the COVID vaccine and the flu shot vaccine, you can call them Monday, Wednesday, Friday in our public health clinic, 859-288-2483. We'll be able to help you out and give you both vaccines. There's no problem with that. So again, thank you everybody for watching. Share this information with your friends, your family. I'm sorry that we couldn't answer everything coming in live, but we'll be watching this as it when Facebook finally gets back up and running, and try to answer as many questions as we can for you. But if you go to lfchd.org/flu shots 2021, we have a lot of these questions answered on there from our nursing team. Special shout out to Laura Collins for making that happen. We have it in Spanish, so our bilingual members of the community help get that information out as well. Lexington, thank you. Thanks for fighting the flu, and I hope to see so many of you on October 6th, 3 to 6 p.m., Consolidated Baptist Church for our free flu shot clinic.